this is pretty much the home screen of the drama application, and you can see here a lot of drama series which you can watch. You have popular section like Betrayal section, Combat, Revenge, Bitter Love, pretty much all of those drama series, you know what I mean, guys. But as well, you can see the top ones are trending on the application. You can see here the top series option. And if you choose to watch any one of these, all you have to do is just tap on whichever one you want to watch. Let's say, for example, this one here. And it will pretty much load up it. And once it's loaded, you'll be able to watch it. And as well, do make sure to tap on the list option here to be able to see all of these series available. Some of them, most of them after the 5 mark, pretty much will need to unlock. So once you tap on the series that is locked, you'll be granted with the price of the series, how much coins you need to unlock that series. And currently I don't have much coins. So yeah. So down here, be able to go ahead and purchase coins. As you can see here, I was mistakenly tap on that option. But anyways, you can see here the prices of the coins, and they pretty much offer a subscription which unlocks all series for a week. As you can see here, for this weekly subscription, they have an annual subscription here as well, which unlocks all series for a year. So you can either purchase a subscription or purchase some coins to unlock a few episodes. So that's really pretty much it for that there. As well, the verse section here, you can see pretty much the same thing. You're gonna see a lot of popular series which you can watch as well, or some of them that haven't been released yet, which you can pretty much tap on the remind option as well. So the chat section here is pretty much, I would say, a bit off the charts for this. I'm not pretty much sure this application would have this feature here. These are pretty much chatbots which can speak with, you can swipe across to pretty much speak with these chatbots. You can see here, these are pretty much chatbots made from the drama series. As you can see, all if you just tap on the chat option here, and you will be able to see the chat section in the message here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If you still do not understand, feel free to comment below. I will see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.